I got you. Oh, it clipped him. Clipped him, spun him around. Yeah.
Jesus!
Jesus.
Decided, you know what, I'm going to pick up the freeway again. So this creates a different situation. Whoa, pulling way to the right. Oh, he just got hit someone. He just got hit by somebody. He just got pitted by a vehicle that was traveling southbound. Now he's driving in the opposite. Their CHP helicopter or LAPD. Head on right there. Head on right there, because that's an on-ramp. That's an on-ramp right there. And as I said, Flower Street, that's an on-ramp. And he was trying to get off on an on-ramp because he's driving against traffic. An on-ramp on the 110 freeway coming through. Look at that. Wow, and that's a two-lane on-ramp, a carpool lane on-ramp.
And remember, we just had a crash out. The third one. I want to listen to our sister station. Sister station. All right, so they're still not putting out any audio there, our sister station. I thought they were, but they're not. But this could be the end of this chase. Viewer discretion is advised. You can tell that this driver is trying to get away, but it looks like whoever's in this white truck is like, not going to happen, buddy. I know that police want you, but maybe they are getting out of the way. Not quite sure exactly what's going on here, but the driver appears to have gotten away yet again. Severely damaged vehicle, though, at this point. You see that rear driver's side tire is pretty much
gone. And yeah, he's still trying to get away. Tire just came off. Tire came off. He's on the rims. Oh, he locked it up. He locked it up. He's gonna bail. Situation. Officers likely behind. We'll widen out a little bit and see. Yep, there they are. Officers, guns drawn, and they're running. This guy, here goes the driver. He's running. Hat on, red shirt, or red jacket, and LAPD in foot pursuit, and they're going to bring this guy down. He's down. In custody.
Please stop. Please stop. Yep. Calm down.
Freaking idiot. Dude, can wait to turn, man. Jesus.
And oh my god! It just went into an accident and it just
Hold on.
okay. My daughter
I'm recording all of it.
oh my god.
Is it girl? Is it a
God.
girl or a guy? Is it okay?
No, he's not okay.
Clarkstown 911, where is your emergency?
If you could track my phone, I'm going up like Congress Road all the way like if I'm going to Nyack. There's a car that's weaving and it just hit a pole but it just kept on going.
You're on Route 9W?
Yes. And this car is gonna go off this cliff.
Did you pass the Rockville Lake?
Yes, I did. Please hurry.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Mom!
He just hit a
Where is it?
Oh my god!
Oh my god! It just flipped over.
It just okay.
Okay, the vehicle flipped over, man?
Yes.
I'm getting out the car because it just hit another vehicle and I want to make sure they're okay.
Oh, it's only after. Oh. Hello.
If at the very least I need a tutor in person.
Oh, Jesus.
Not that for us for you. The one he pulled out. And he's doing that.
They're going. Right, and it looks like approaching I-40, it looks like one of the law enforcement vehicles is trying to move up to make a pit maneuver and possibly spin it out. And there it is, right there. There's the spin out over into other traffic up on the divider.